All right, this is going to be the fastest and easiest way to set up your cybersecurity lab. I'm going to show two different versions of software that you can install virtual machine on and you can do your projects on it. Stay tuned, so I'll show you how we're going to do this. So first software that we're going to download is going to be VirtualBox. I'm going to put the link in the description as well. When the page loads up, we got different type of options to download VirtualBox on. We can download it on Windows, we can download it on Mac and Linux and different other operating systems. For this occasion, we're just gonna download it on a Windows host. After it's completed, we're gonna open it. All you need to do is just accept the terms and conditions, press next. This is just the custom setup where it's gonna be. Because I already have it, I'm not gonna complete it, but you can install it and that's gonna be completed really quick. So the second option is gonna be VMware Station, which I use it personally. I'm gonna put the link for downloading VMware Station in the description as well. When the page loads up, you see a page like this. All you need to do is just press on download now. You're gonna take you to another page. It's a Broadcom page, and you basically need to register and make an account so you gain access to the VMware Station. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna press this login button in the top and we press on register. When we get here, we can use a temporary email. So I'm just gonna use the temp email website. It's gonna generate me with a temporary email. So the next page is basically just ask you for your personal information. Just put your first name, last name, country, and just a job title. It doesn't really matter. So we're just gonna press I'll do it later. We get to this page. So all we need to do here now is just log into our account that we just made. So when we successfully logged in, all we need to do is we're gonna press on this little button. We're gonna select the mainframe software, and that basically gonna take us to the page that we're gonna download VMware Station. All we need to do here is we're gonna select my downloads, and over here we're gonna search for VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation Pro, we're just gonna click on that, and we get the option to download for both Linux and Windows. We are just gonna go for the top option, and we're gonna press on this, and when we get to this page, all we need to do is we have to press on terms and condition. You have to open this page in order to be able to tick this box. After this is done, we're just gonna click on this download icon. So they need some additional information from us. It's just gonna be some address. Just put any address, it doesn't really matter because you're not gonna use it after this. I'm just gonna fill it out and we're gonna press submit after. So we're gonna press on the download icon again, and the download gonna get started after this. We're just gonna open the launcher now, and it's just gonna be a simple next accept the terms and condition to install the VMware Station. So just press next and install, and it's gonna be done. So after we downloaded our virtual machine stations, now we need operating system files. What we're gonna download now is gonna be a Windows ISO file and a Kali Linux ISO file. I'm gonna again put all the links in the description. Search download Kali Linux. When we get to this page, we're going to select the virtual machine option. Here we get option to download it for both VMware and VirtualBox. And whichever software that you downloaded, you need to download the right version of Kali for them. I'm just going to press download. And while this doing that, we're going to download the Windows ISO for our softwares. All right, for downloading Windows 11, just click on the link that I put in the description. Scroll all the way down and we're going to choose this x64 and we're going to change this to Windows 11 and we're going to press download now. This is for the language. We're just gonna choose English. So I'm just gonna press download get started. So after it's downloaded, all we need to do is just extract it. Just gonna right click on the zip file and we're just gonna press extract all. All right, cool. I just extracted both for VMware Station and VirtualBox, but the Windows machine is gonna be the same for both of them. First, I'm gonna explain the VirtualBox version. You're just gonna open it, open the folder, and just gonna double click on this blue one, and that's just gonna straight away take you to the VirtualBox. As you can see, my machine just got added to the VirtualBox. If I want to run it, I'm just going to click on it and press start. For password and username, is going to be Kali. And as you can see, we just installed the Kali machine. This is gonna have loads of tools that we're gonna use in the future projects. So for VMware Station, we're just gonna double click on that, double click on this. It's gonna have a load of stuff. We're gonna select this one with this icon, and that's gonna load up a Kali Linux on our VMware Station. For starting the machine, as you can see, it's gonna add it up here. If I just press on this, you can see all of your machines in the left hand side, and this is the machine I just added. it. I'm just gonna click on the Kali Linux that we just added up. We're gonna press on power on this virtual machine, and it's gonna start running up our machine. It's gonna be the same process. The username password gonna be the same. Now let's go and do the Windows machine. For adding a virtual machine to VirtualBox, we're gonna go to this top icon and we're going to press on new. We can name it here. I'm just going to name it Windows 11. We have to select the ISO image. We can just press on this, press on other. We go to the folder that we downloaded, Windows machine, as we can see is here, Windows 11. I'm just going to click on that, open that, next. So in this page, all you need to do, you can make a username, put your password in, and fix the host name. If there's any space, it's going to give you a X here, and you cannot proceed to the next page. For the product key, I'm just putting 1 for all of that. Over here, we can choose how much memory, CPU, and disk size we're going to dedicate to this single virtual machine. I'm just going to leave it to this default options, and I'm just going to finish it up. You can review all your detail here. There we have it. It's going to power it on for me. So the reason that I'm installing a Windows machine is that we're going to use this machine in most of our cases as our target machine. So here's asking me for a product key. I just press I don't have a product key. So this is still installing for me. It's going to take a while to fully get installed on your VirtualBox. There we go. We got our Windows machine here. We're just going to restart it as well to make the full screen experience. It's going to be the same thing for VMware Station. I'm just going to show how you can add a machine in VMware Station as well. We press on the file top here. We press on new virtual machine. Click next. And here we can choose the ISO file. Just gonna press on browse, go to the downloads, press on Windows, press next. Here we can name it, write our password, and here we can dedicate how much disk size we want this Windows machine to have. Next, we can also customize the hardware here as well. We can change the memory, we can change the CPU processors. We're just gonna press finish, and there we have it. We just got it added up and it's loading up again. So there you have it. That was the fastest and easiest way to just set up your cybersecurity lab. Make sure you subscribe my channel, because in the future I'm going to show you what type of projects you can make, show the step by step the things that you need to build up a nice project for your CV, or maybe just to learn the tools and the stuff and get your foot into cybersecurity. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.